everybody, happy Tech Time Tuesday. We're underneath the coach again, and I just want to let you know, one of the things I love about this company is that we don't just make parts and then put them into the marketplace. Every single day, these technicians are underneath these coaches, finding things that you need to be made aware of, and today's no different, and I'll let Tommy take it away. So what we got here.
Sure. So we've got an F53 chassis. It came into the shop. The only upgrade it really had on the back end was the rear SuperSteer track bar that had been installed at another facility. And we noticed something strange here. You look here, you've got a factory bump stop there. There, we have nothing. The previous, whatever shop had installed that rear track bar had thought that it was necessary to remove the factory bump stop in order to install the frame bracket for the rear track bar, and that is not the intent of how that track bar should be installed. They could have avoided that. So you see the end of the track bar is installed on the front side of this bracket. If they were to have, instead of installing it on the front, installed it on the back, that would have allowed this bracket to shift forward by the width of that rod end, and that would have provided adequate clearance for the factory bump stop to remain in place. Now, we didn't actually replace that factory bump stop because another upgrade that this coach is getting is Sumo springs. So those are actually installed outboard of the frame. We have one of those installed on each side, and because of all of the added support they provide, those factory bump stops are no longer necessary. So we didn't go ahead and replace that one. But just want to point that out, that when you're installing a rear track bar, please do not remove the factory bump stops. It's designed to work with those in place.
Well, I appreciate it. You know, one of the things, like I said earlier, is, you know, you can buy these parts yourself and put them on, and if you do that, that's totally fine. Make sure you follow the instructions as well. One of the great things at SuperSteer we have is if you do need something installed and you click on the thing, need it installed ? It'll open up a Google map and it'll show you the dealers that we kind of recommend so that you can make sure you get things done properly. But of course, what we would prefer is you to come up here to Oregon and we can take you out on that RPA, Road Performance Assessment, where we'll look at everything for you. And that's how this was found, because if we were just throwing parts on there, we would have never found these things. So that's one of the things I love about this company. So thanks, Tommy.
Yep.
All right, well, as always, we thank you for watching these Tech Time videos, and we hope we're adding value to you out there on the road. Until we see you another one, we wish you safer and happier driving.